Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, salam, nama budaya, dan salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Okay, today I will present on the topic of LKM 6, biochemistry, photosynthesis-like reaction in photosynthesis-like reaction and drug reaction. Okay, my name is Salsa Dewenisa. You can call me Salsa, and this last scene is 01. Study case is a research observed two groups of plants. Group A was placed under high intensity light. Group B was placed in the shade. The result of the observation showed Group A produced more ATP and NADPH. However, under certain conditions, the increase in photosynthesis produced was not proportional to the increase in glucose produced. In some plants, it was found that even with sulfines like glucose production remained low. The research suspected a limitation in the drug reaction Calvin cycle. 1. Explain the definition of photosynthesis and the primary purpose of this process for plants. Photosynthesis is the process of producing glucose from carbon dioxide and water. Using light energy, its main purpose is to provide food energy for plants. To explain the mechanisms of the light reaction, including location within the chloroplast, the roles of photosynthesis 1 and 2, the production. Location, thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. Photosynthesis system 2. Aborts light and splits water to produce electron, proton, and oxygen. Photosystem 1. Use electron to reduce NADP positive into NADPH. Produce ATP, NADPH, and oxygen. 3. Why does highlight intensity increase the production of ATP and NADPH? Explain conceptually. High light intensity increase electron excitation in the photosynthesis, leading to greater ATP and NADPH production as long as other factors do not limit photosynthesis. 4. Explain the main states of the Calvin cycle, including carbonification, reduction, RUBP, regeneration, carbonification, carbon dioxide is fight to RUBP by the enzyme Rubicor. Reduction, ATP, and NADPH are used to produce GATE3P. RUBP regeneration, some 3GP molecules regeneration RUBP so the cycle can continue. Why, under certain conditions, does an increase in ATP and NADPH not result in an increase in glucose production? Increase ATP and NADPH do not always increase glucose production because other factors such as carbon dioxide availability, Rubisco, activity temperature, or RUBP regeneration may become limiting factor. 6. The relationship between light and the drug reaction. Analyze the relationship between light reaction, drug reaction in the process of photosynthesis. Like reaction produce ATP and NADPH, which are used the drug reaction Calvin cycle to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. Explain the factor that can limit the rate of photosynthesis other that like besides like the rate of photosynthesis can be limited by carbon dioxide concer- concentration, temperature, water availability, and chlorophyll content. 8. Explain the function of the Rubisco enzyme in photosynthesis and how its role can affect the efficiency of glucose production. Rubisco function to fix carbon dioxide to RUBP in the Calvin cycle. Its activity influences the efficiency of glucose production during photosynthesis. 9. If there is a shortage of carbon dioxide in the environment, how does this affect the reaction glucose production? The reaction carbonification decrease due to limit carbon dioxide available. Glucose produce glucose synthesis distillate. 10. Explain the relationship between the produce of photosynthesis glucose and cellular respiration in plants. Glucose produced during photosynthesis in antiligation, cellular respiration to generate ATP required for various plant activities. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.